Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm recreating this Alex Perry dress that was retailed for more than $3,000, and I'm going to recreate it under €50. This is going to be part 1, and I'm going to add my own spin on the design. So, let's get started. For this, you're going to need a basic bodice block, a long sleeve, and a full circle skirt. Optional, pocket pattern, and sleeve flounce. And also, I'm adding a Victorian style sleeve. First, I'm going to fold the fabric to have 2 layers. Always cut your circle skirt first, because sometimes you have to make a lot of adjustments, and if you cut your bodice block, you will be in trouble. After cutting 2 of your circle skirts on fold, I'm going to cut my bodice, and I'm cutting the bodice front also on fold. I'm using a bodice block for the size and the shape that I like, but I always change the neckline. So for this project, I'm going to make a very deep square neckline. Always make sure to match the shoulder width from the bodice front to the bodice back. Now I'm going to drape it on my mannequin just to see how it's going to look. And afterwards, I'm going to mark all my darts. On part 2, I'm going to work on the skirt. So now I'm only focusing on the bodice and the sleeves, because they are the most difficult parts of this project. I'm going to attach the bodice front and the bodice back via the shoulder seam, but I'm not going to sew the side seams yet. I will do that later after I attach the sleeve. For the big Victorian sleeve, I'm using 2 styles of sleeves. I'm using the Butterick, a big sleeve that I can gather from the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to gather the top part of the big Victorian style sleeve and the bottom, and I'm going to use an elastic for the bottom part. You can skip all of this if you only want the exact Alex Perry dress. And now I'm going to attach the sleeve to the bodice and sew them all together. And that's it for part 1. Next week, I will finish up the second sleeve and the skirt with pockets. And I hope you like it and see you next week. Bye!